you are in business, the word credit is nothing new to you. But have you ever taken time to think of the types of credits that are on offer? Well, you are undoubtedly well aware of the significance of your credit score and how it may help you get loans, jobs, apartments, and more. Lenders base their decision to provide you credit on the following 5 criteria. 1. Conditions. The conditions you're attempting to get. The terms and conditions you are willing to abide by in terms of getting and repaying your credit. 2. Collateral. Any property you're willing to pledge as surety, such as a car or a house. 3. Character. Your standing in society. Are you someone trustworthy and can you be relied upon to pay back your loan? 4. Capacity. Your readiness to send payments on schedule. 5. Capital. Earnings and other financial resources. How many sources of income do you have in case you are low on cash? In essence, they're attempting to predict your likelihood of repaying your credit. How much debt you have in comparison to how much credit you have is another critical factor lenders look at when calculating your credit score. If you found the video informative, give it a like. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm in recommending this video to people looking for this type of information. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web. Turn on the bell notification icon to receive future updates on investing videos.